Here's the weird part. When you talk to AI, it does not see your sentence the way you do. You see words, the AI sees tokens. A token is a small piece of text. Sometimes it is a full word, like hi. Sometimes it is part of a word, like un, believe, and able. Sometimes it is a number, punctuation mark, or small text pattern. So before an AI model answers you, it first breaks your text into these tiny language pieces. For example, the sentence ChatGPT explains ideas clearly gets split into several tokens. Then the AI reads those tokens and predicts what token should come next. That is the core idea behind AI writing. It is not writing one full sentence at a time. It is building the answer piece by piece, token by token. Tokens also explain why AI has limits. Your prompt, chat history, uploaded documents, and retrieved context all count as input tokens. The answer the AI writes back counts as output tokens. Together, they make up the total tokens used. And that matters because tokens affect cost, speed, and memory. More tokens usually means higher cost. More tokens can take longer to process. And every AI model has a context window, which means it can only handle a certain amount of text at once. So the simple way to think about it is this. Tokens are the building blocks of AI language. But here's the twist. You are not charged for questions. You are often charged for how many tiny pieces of language the AI has to read and write. So one short question with a huge document attached can be much bigger than it looks. What other AI concept should I explain next? Post your request in the comments.
If the content was helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.